Pin them down.
Alright guys, if you're ready, I'm gonna go ahead and send you, alright?
Thumbs up. Rock and roll. Let's go. Ah, like the lights. Love the lights. This is going to be cool at night now. I'm right here, right over your shoulder, baby. All right. Oh, I'm already pushed. Already pushed down. I'm on it. See you at the bottom. Woohoo!
Start your engines.
All right. Woo! This is cool. Whoa! All right.
Very good, sweetheart.
What, did you win or did I win?
What's that, honey?
Did you win or did I win?
No, we'll figure out the time.
All right. All right, let's see.
Can you hear me okay?
Oh yeah.
Good place forward.
I'm pushed already. Oh, hell yeah.
What kind of speed we get? See if it's faster than this morning.
It seems to be. Yeah, you seem to be going faster. And I felt about the same.
Yeah, I got this thing pushed forward as well.
This is like a different, wow, I'm way below you. Hey, I'm way below you, honey. This is different. Yeah, I'm ready. See you back at the finish line.
All right, last part.
Here we go.
Here you go, birthday girl.
I'm already pushed down. Here we go.
Me too.
We can rock and roll.
Bye, baby.
See you at the bottom, baby. We already did.
Pretty good.
Woohoo! Whoa!
run.
He did. Did he beat me on the second run?
I think so.
Oh.
Look at your time downstairs, though.
Yeah, we're gonna look at the time downstairs. Thank you.
So you was card number 27 and he was 13.
Okay, I'm 27.
Yes, ma'am.
Sweet. 1, 2, 3. Oop.
And he is 13.
27, 13. You
Yes,
got
ma'am.
it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
This was just cool as all heck.
I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Got a question
Like
for
a
you.
what?
What's the oldest person that's been on the coaster though?
98.
98 years
98. Well,
98 years
heck.
old.
You've got a little ways
I
to
got
go.
a little way to go. Today's my birthday.
Happy
So,
birthday.
thank you. 66. Double sixes.
That's right.
See y'all.
Thank you so much, gentlemen.
Thank you. Thank you.
Have a good night.
You too.